Greeting to one and all. So here we are going to see the exercise 4.1 second problem, quadrilateral JUMP. So here we are having the name as jump. The quadrilateral is having the name as jump, JUMP. JU is 3.5 centimeter, UM is equal to 4 centimeter, MP is equal to 5 centimeter, PJ is equal to 4.5 centimeter, PU is equal to 6.5 centimeter. First we are going to draw the rough sketch of the given measurement. So listen, we can able to draw any quadrilateral, any four-sided figure. So again I am just going to draw the quadrilateral with the shape the same. Yes. Draw the rough sketch of the quadrilateral JUMP. JUMP. And mark the measurement on it. What are the measurement they given for us? JU is equal to 3.5 centimeter. JU is equal to 3.5 centimeter. And UM as 4 centimeter, MP as 5 centimeter, PJ as 4.5 centimeter. See here one more point measurement they are given, that is PU. See PU. So I am having the vertex. So I just want to draw the line segment by joining P and U. See, joining P and U as 6.5 centimeter. Yes, this is the rough sketch of quadrilateral JUMP, that is jump. With this rough sketch we can able to draw the main picture, and we may divide the quadrilateral into two triangles, namely JUP and PMU. So these are all the two triangles in the quadrilateral. Okay, so first again I am just going to draw the diagonals first. PU with the measurement of 6.5 centimeter. See here, this is the main picture. Take the ruler and draw PU as 6.5 centimeter. Yes, this is P and this is U with 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so if 6.5 centimeter as the line which is common for both the triangles, top we are having one triangle and the bottom we are having one triangle. First we are going to draw the top triangle, and that with the measurement we can able to find the point M. By using this measurement we can able to find the point M, that is vertex M. So that, see, I am just using the compass. Using of the compass, P as the center with the radius is equal to 5 centimeter, and draw an arc. Using of the compass, keep the needle at 0 and take the measurement with the radius of 5 centimeter. Okay, just extend the compass till 5 centimeter. Now I am having the measurement of 5 centimeter in the compass. Now fix the needle at P. Draw the arc. Okay, with the 5 centimeter, which is having the radius of 5 centimeter in the compass, and draw the arc. And listen to the next, from U to M we are having 4 centimeter. Again I am just going to take the measurement of 4 centimeter in the compass. Keep the needle at 0. Extend the pencil tip till 4 centimeter. Now I am having the measurement of 4 centimeter in the compass. Fix the needle at U and draw the another arc which cuts the previous arc. Yes, see, already we draw one arc with the radius of 5 centimeter. Here I am just going to draw one more arc which cuts the previous arc. The intersection of these two arcs make one point, the intersecting point. That point is called as M. Now we are having the point M. Now I am joining the points P and M and U and M. Mark the measurement 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Now I am just going to draw the triangle which is at the bottom. Okay, so here I am just going to find the point J. Yes, so that the same procedure what we done in the previous, with P as center and draw the arc with the radius of 4.5 centimeter. Keep the needle at O, extend the pencil tip till 4.5 centimeter. Yes, now I'm having the measurement of 4.5 centimeter in the needle. Keep the needle at P and draw an arc. Yes, this is the arc with the radius of 4.5 centimeter. Now from U to J we are having the measurement as 3.5 centimeter. Again I just want to do the same thing, that is keep the needle at 0, extend the pencil tip till 3.5 centimeter and draw the another arc with U as center. See, I am just keeping the needle at U and draw the one more arc which cuts the previous arc. Yes, now I am having the intersection of two arcs makes one point. That point is called J. Now join J and P, U and J. Mark the measurement 4.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Now we get the quadrilateral. Here JUMP is the required quadrilateral. I hope you can understand the construction of the quadrilateral. Thank you.